In this video, we are going to fix the cumulative update for Windows 11 version 1809 error code 0x80070246. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you need to do is you need to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. How we can do that: at day start, make a right click, scroll up and click on the settings. At day settings, you need to proceed to the left pane, find for an option which is the system. Click on it. And afterwards, you need to scroll down here on the list, find for troubleshoot, click in here. And then there you can see other troubleshooters, click on that. And next is to go with most frequent. There you can find Windows Update, click on run corresponding to it. So wait until this procedure would be finished. This will help you to diagnose the problem. Once you are done with this, close the window and then restart your computer and check if the problem has been fixed. However, if not, then we need to navigate to the next step. The next step would be you need to proceed here at the search box and type for CMD. Once you have typed it, you need to wait until you can see a best match, which is the command prompt system. And from that, you need to navigate here at the right side and run it as an administrator. So please proceed to the option Run as Administrator. Click on here. And afterwards, you can open this window. I want you to copy the command that I have given at the YouTube description, this one. So first is you need to stop this four services. So the first is the Windows Update service, the cryptographic service, the background intelligent transfer service, as well as the msiserver. So once you have stopped this one, let me just edit this first. You need to copy this one by one. Okay. Copy this one by one. And then you need to paste it here one by one to the command prompt as well. Not as a whole, but one by one. Once done, proceed to the fifth command, which is this one. Paste it here. Proceed to the sixth, which is this one. And then once you are done with that, you need to start the service, the Windows Update, the cryptographic, the background intelligent transfer service, as well as the MSI server. Once you're done with all of this, you need to restart your computer. Once you've restarted it, check if the problem has been fixed, okay? Now, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.